Okay, so in this exercise, we are going to find the squared of uh, the sum of two operators. So let's actually use a function f of x to operate these on, and we can just simply delete f of x on both sides at the end. So we can write this as okay, and when two operators act on a function from equation 3.2, we know that each of them operates on this on the function separately. So this is gonna be we're gonna carry this term and this. Now let's operate each of these operators on this part. That'll be I am just gonna simply multiply. Actually, you know what? Let me just do this so it doesn't look like I'm skipping some steps. Um, so the second derivative of a second derivative is simply going to be the fourth derivative. So now what we're gonna do is take the second derivative of this function. So let me just do it separately, and we're gonna put the result back here. So what we're trying to compute is this value. This is what we're going to compute, right? Yep, that's it. So I'm gonna do this just to make it even clear. I'm gonna do this. First derivative of x is just 1. Oh, sorry, my bad. I thought there was a plus there. Never mind. So the first derivative of x f of x is going to be x d f of x or dx plus you're just going to take the derivative of x. So it's going to be f of x. Now we're going to take the derivative of this, which is going to be x d squared f of x over dx squared plus, you're going to just take the derivative of x. It's going to be this plus, now you're going to take the derivative of f of x. So it's this. So this is essentially okay. So now that we have it here, we are gonna simply copy it back there. X times second derivative um, of f of x plus 2 times the first derivative of f of x. Okay, so now that we have completed taking the derivative of this term, we're going to work our way through the second term, which should be relatively simpler compared to the first one. So that will be plus x times plus x squared times fx. That's it. Now let's see if we can regroup any of these terms here. We have to the second derivative, we have two terms, so it's going to be 2x d squared f of x over dx squared plus 2 plus x squared f of x. Now we're going to simply delete the function on both sides, right? So we're going to take this function out on the left-hand side and f of x out on the right-hand side as well. So that will give us the final answer, which will be plus 2x d squared over dx squared plus 2 d over dx plus x squared. So this is the answer to the exercise.